segment called Cooking with Cate. I'm here with Golden Ramsay and
Pioneer Woman. Today we are making chocolate chip pudding cookies by Becky Crabtree. And now it's time to butcher it.
oh yeah! So Becky didn't want us to butcher it too bad, so she went ahead and measured everything out for us. Shout out to her, she's the real G.
Real G.
Okay, but this is 2/3 of butter. I think it's a cup, right?
Something. Huh? You're chilling.
2/3
butter? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Now what's this? 2/3 Crisco.
It's Can I make
Crisco! Yeah!
Oh! It's okay.
Eat the butter, Kate.
Ew, get that.
This is 3/4 brown sugar.
Get it all in there.
We washed our hands. Sorry, guys.
These are only for us.
And they were, but 3/4 sugar. Mmm, satisfying. Ew, get your hand out there.
Where did you eat it?
All right, now eat your egg. Stop, Kate. The whole egg is in the stove.
It's fine, it's fine.
It's fine. Hey, stop. Then this is 2 teaspoons, right? I don't know my measurements. That's teaspoons. Teaspoons of vanilla. Alright, mix! Now you gotta mix this suck. Now you mix. Okay, I don't think I can do this. Well, this is kind of awkward.
Let me do it.
You guys are just staring at me. Do we need like water or something in it? Okay. Chunky.
That's how creaming it, so I think we're creaming it.
Mmm.
Flattering.
Okay, next step. We have to put this giant bag of flour into this bowl.
Concoction.
But first, hey Alexa, play.
Okay, next we add the sodium chloride and the baking soda.
1 tablespoon each.
Yeah.
Teaspoon.
They're teaspoons.
Oh my gosh! You are so
dyslexic.
I am indeed. Now, a whole thing of vanilla pudding.
Don't be shy to make these at home and share
Now-
your results.
Mix.
Mix that up.
Okay, so now we gotta mix this suck.
Yeah.
Okay, this video is sponsored by Pioneer One. Not really, but these are her bowls.
Kinda wish.
Kinda wish.
Sponsor us
Kinda
if you
wish.
wanted to.
You're sponsored. So I'm gonna turn on low. Okay, hope for the best. Okay. Yep. Yep.
Holy smoke.
This looks fabulous. Don't be shy.
Put some more.
Put some more, and make sure that you make these at home. And DM the Daily Roar.
Yeah, take pictures of it and say, look how better we are than you.
Yep. Okay, so we got our little mixture. Now we have to add the chocolate chips, but we're a few short. Anyway, add the chip. Whole bag. We just buy. Now we mix. Then we'll cut it.
So we made a lot of dough.
Too much.
It makes like a lot of cookies.
So we're gonna make pineapple cookies.
We're gonna
And
freeze
them.
the dough because we can't give this out because of COVID.
Sir, I freaking whipped cream. Mmm, delicious. Kate, Kate, stop! Stop! No! Stop! No! Stop! Kate, leave! Quit eating the dough! Get out of the kitchen! Cake. Gotta get it.
Alright, so now we're making the dough into balls to stick on the cookie sheets to bake.
Baking tip for Becky. Bake for 5 minutes, then switch racks. And then you can bake for another 5 minutes.
Alright, we'll see you when we're done. Put some like waiting music behind it.
You can just use that.
Pineapple cookie.
Tasty!
That's enough, children. Stop it. No! What happened? Cookie. This is not making cookies.
We balled up our cookies and we're gonna stick them on the thingies and ask for adult supervision. Even though we're all in high school. I still don't know how to work an oven. Just kidding. Meow. Meow. Alright, so let it cook on 350 for
5 minutes.
5 minutes and then you
Then
switch.
switch. 5 more minutes. Yes. Alright. Yep.
You gotta do the twist.
We're done. We took them out of the oven. Look how pretty. I'm gonna pick this up. So we took them out of the oven. Now we have to let them cool for like
3 minutes.
2.5.
3 minutes max.
Yes. And then we're gonna take them off the paper and eat them up.
That's been it for today's episode of Cooking with Cate.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified for whenever we post. Also, make sure you guys DM us more recipes so we can try on the next episode of Cooking with Cate.